Welcome, agents. Today's mission is to master the drip mode action in our workflow arsenal. Why is this crucial? Because it's our secret weapon for enhancing deliverability and avoiding overload during high-volume operations. First, we navigate to our automation section. From here, move stealthily into workflows. Now, let's pinpoint the exact workflow where the drip mode will be our ally. Remember, in large-scale operations involving hundreds or even thousands of contacts, drip mode will keep us under the radar, ensuring smooth execution. Here's where the action heats up. Add a new action. Locate drip and engage it. Set your drip size to 10 and drip interval to 1 hour. We're starting light to keep our server or dedicated IP from being blacklisted. This tactic ensures every hour, only 10 contacts go inside, regardless of whether there's a crowd of 10,000s waiting. Precision and timing are everything. Don't forget to hit save. Next, move to contacts and get ready to roll out. Our previous actions will enable us to submit our leads and batches easily now, without the manual setup. Smooth and efficient. Add your contacts to the workflow. Then watch as your campaign unfolds with extreme precision. With drip mode, you'll see the magic: 10 contacts deployed every hour, maintaining order and efficiency. You successfully completed the mission. The drip mode action is now a part of your GoHighLevel toolkit, ready to handle hundreds or thousands of contacts with ease. Mission accomplished, Captain.